In this video, we will learn how to use Paypenny
App in America.
To use the Paypenny app in
America.
Go to the Paypenny app on your mobile phone. Here, scroll down and you will see how use the option, then click on it and show that you have the whole procedure to use it. Upon installation, users are prompted to initiate the onboarding process. By entering their registered phone number, users will receive a secure one-time password verification by SMS. Once that is successful, users are guided to set up their enhanced transaction security with a PIN. After users successfully do that, they seamlessly land on an intuitive and features, reaching the homepage of the app. Users can initiate the process directly from the homepage by entering a streamlined and accessible. Users can effortlessly navigate options of funding to their account, such as bank accounts or other payment processors. Then, you can successfully send your money to other countries or other bank accounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.